Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Discord account. Now, before you can delete a Discord account, you have to keep in mind that you must not own a server. So let's say, for instance, if you want to delete that account and you own particular servers, you have to transfer the ownership to a different person before you can delete your account. Now, once you're done that, all you have to do is simply click on the settings icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. And then within the settings, simply select my account. And then within your account, scroll down and find the account removal section. Now you should notice the delete account option appear. So all you have to do is simply click on that. And then you'll be asked, are you sure you want to delete your account? This will immediately log you out of your account. You'll not be able to log in again. So all you have to do is simply type in your password. Now, once you type in your password, all you have to do is simply click on delete account, then give it a few seconds and you'll be logged out. And also, you'll receive an email. So let me show you. Once you go to the account, you should see this email from Discord. Hey, your username, you have received a request to permanently delete your account. Your account has been deactivated and will be permanently deleted after 14 days. So that's basically it on how to delete an account on Discord. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.